Welcome to the installation video of Appcues Action Automation for Workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. When you're done with your installation, reload the page and then you search for the custom page of the app. This interface will pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials to configure your app. We have the setup feature. Let's get you started with that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required an ID, API key, and the API secret to complete your configuration. Head to your account, which we've created online. Click on your profile, and then you click on Settings. Then you navigate to Integrations and click on the drop-down icon. Click on API, and then you click on the button Create New Key. You give a sample name. You select your access permission, which is the admin, and then you click on Create. Here you go. You have the API key. Copy your API key. Head to your account and you paste. You copy the secret key. Head to your account and you paste. Double on I understand this secret key and then you click on Done. Head back to your profile and then you copy your account ID from the profile. Head back to your account and then you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails or notifications, toggle on the button, insert your email, and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.